Articles in English. Articles. Definite article the, indefinite articles a, an. The definite article the. The definite article the is used with a word referring to a person or thing which is the only one of its kind. The house. A door. The window. The roof. A plant. There are 2 doors and 3 plants. That is why we have not used the with them, because there are many of them. If there is only one of each, we can use the before the word. The definite article the is used with a word different from others in a group to which it belongs to. School. Teachers, principal, games captain, students, prefects, head prefect. There are many people, but the principal is different from others, and there is only one principal. The principal addressed the assembly. The games captain read the names of the winners. There is only one games captain. He or she is different from the others. The head prefect helped a student to carry his chair. There is only one head prefect. The definite article the is used with a person or thing already mentioned and known to the listener or reader. Example: it was a rainy evening. I was playing with my dog. We were running outside and coming back. My parents were not there, so no one was there to stop us. Suddenly, my dog stopped following me. He ran to the garage. He was barking at something. I was a bit scared, but I went there. It was a cat sitting under our wheelbarrow. It was shivering. I felt sorry for the cat. We brought it inside. I covered it with an old towel and gave some food. The cat ate it impatiently. When my parents returned, I told them what happened, and they agreed to keep the cat with us. I named him Goldu. Now he's a grown-up cat. A cat in the beginning of the story has become the cat. Why? Because later the cat is known and familiar to the reader or listener. So we can use the. Indefinite articles. A, an. A is used before the nouns starting with consonant sounds. An is used before the nouns starting with vowel sounds. Remember, vowel letters are A, E, I, O, U, but there are many more vowel sounds. You have to consider on vowel sounds when you put articles, not vowel letters only. Example: this is a blackboard. That is a teacher. She has bought an umbrella. I am reading a novel. She is a European. We have to wait an hour. I dreamt a unicorn. She is an honest person. The child wanted an ice cream. You can see the words European, our, honest. The first letters are different there. In European, though it is E in the beginning, we have put a European. Why? The sound is not a vowel sound. European. Yeah, it's a consonant. That is why we have written she is a European. He is an honest person. In the word honest, the first letter is H. It is not a vowel letter, but the sound is O. It's a vowel sound. That is why we have put an honest. Thank you students for watching this video, and you can subscribe this channel, like and share with your friends. See you again.